Number 1.
1982 Dodge D250, price $6,000, featuring a 12V intercooled Cummins diesel engine, automatic transmission, 2WD, and a clean Virginia title, has a solid chassis and body with working AC and heat. Though the odometer is broken, it has approximately 200,000 miles. The truck is reliable, with new brakes, a newer battery, and has been daily driven and used for towing. The exterior is white, the interior is red, and it's a dependable and unique vehicle.
Number 2.
1986 Dodge D150, price $6,200, with a black exterior and a red interior, powered by a 5.2-liter small-block V8 engine, 318 cubic inches. With an automatic 3-speed TorqueFlite transmission and a 4WD drivetrain, this truck has covered 106,675 miles and runs and drives well. It features a gasoline fuel type and is noted for its dependable performance.
The seller is open to trade offers. Number 3.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. This is a classic pickup with a 6.0 LS engine swap and numerous new parts installed, ensuring excellent performance. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a stylish blue interior, and the truck has been driven only 87,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this well-maintained vehicle runs great and is ready for its next owner after a previous buyer did not follow through.
Number 4.
1978 Chevrolet K10, price $6,200, features a 250 cubic inch, 4.1L, inline-6 engine and has a mileage of 80,000 miles.
It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior is green. The owner is open to trading for other vehicles.
Key features include a well-maintained engine, smooth transmission, and classic color combination. Number 5.
1987 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,900. This is a classic truck with 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a red interior.
Powered by a V8 engine and running on gasoline, this truck is equipped with power windows.
It is priced more affordably than most vehicles with a similar body condition. The truck is generally in respectable condition, though it needs some minor repairs such as a new headliner, exhaust work, and a dash pad cover. The owner is open to considering partial or full trades with cash for items like a Harley, Challenger, Camaro, 67 to 86, or other classic muscle cars, including Nova models from 2008 to 2012.
There is some rust on the lower cab corners. Number 6.
1976 Ford F100, price $6,500. This truck is a cool-looking, old farm truck with a lot of character. It has been converted into a short bed with a shortened frame, featuring drop beams in the front and a flip kit with notched frame in the rear. The truck is equipped with disc brakes up front and a rebuilt suspension, providing improved handling. The 300 CI inline-6 engine runs strong, and the truck sits on 20 steel wheels. It has a green exterior and black interior, with 61,000 miles on the odometer. While there are some small areas of rust throughout, nothing major, the original metal bed floor has been replaced with wood. The transmission is automatic, and it remains a great example of a classic, modified truck with its own unique charm.
Number 7.
1978 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $8,000. This is a well-maintained truck with key features including 100,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a gray exterior and interior. Powered by a 350 SBC engine paired with a new 700R4 transmission, this truck has been lowered 5/7 using drop spindles, springs, and a rear flip kit. It features 20 by 8.5 and 20 by 10 wheels with brand new tires, a rear disc brake conversion, and upgraded, larger front brakes. Inside, the truck is equipped with new vintage gauges, a tonneau cover, and a 6-speaker stereo system with a Bluetooth head unit. The interior also boasts new carpet and sound deadening, while the cab has been repainted, though additional paint for the exterior is available but not yet applied. The engine runs and drives well, with the motor still in the process of breaking in and the carburetor needing fine-tuning. The truck does require new door window seals and some finishing touches to make it an excellent ride.
Number 8.
1971 GMC 1500, price $7,500. This custom long bed pickup truck has 69,003 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission.
The exterior is blue, and the interior is tan.
The truck runs and drives well, with several brand new components including tires, Flowmaster dual exhaust with new exhaust manifolds, a new starter, a new alternator, and new spark plugs and wires.
The interior has also been completely redone.
However, the rocker panels show signs of rust. The truck was purchased as a project, but due to the owner's job commitments, there is no time to complete the work.
Number 9.
1979 Ford F150, price $4,500. This truck has 102,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, green exterior, and green interior. It runs on gasoline and has some rust on the driver's side floorboard due to living in the mountains for 44 years, though it still drives fine around town. Since June, the following has been serviced or replaced: carburetor cleaned and rebuilt, rear wheel cylinders, brake shoes, master cylinder, battery, spark plugs and wires, voltage regulator, starter solenoid, fuel pump, window regulator, engine oil and filter, rubber fuel and vacuum lines, gas cap, fusible links, and more.
Number 10.
1989 Ford F250, price $9,200. This truck features a 460 CID engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and a camper package with wiring. It has a mileage of 113,500 miles and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both brown. Key upgrades include new front hubs, bearings, brakes, rear shoes, and shocks. Additionally, it has new Wrangler Duratrac tires with less than 1,000 miles, installed on October 15, 24.
Number 11.
1978 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,700. This truck has 120,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Its exterior and interior are both red.
Features a 350 SBC engine, SM465 4-speed manual transmission, and NP205 transfer case. The truck has a clean Colorado title, though the front fenders are rusted while the rest is in good condition.
The previous owner attempted to convert it to automatic, but the current owner restored the manual transmission. It experiences occasional death wobble and the power steering whines, but it's a solid truck overall.
Number 12.
1972 Ford F250, price $9,700. This truck has traveled 57,700 miles and features a manual 4-speed transmission, a yellow exterior, a black interior, and runs on gasoline. It has been upgraded with a new carburetor, electric throttle, new tires, a fixed gas gauge, a rebuilt seat, and a refreshed interior, including the dash and floor lining. The exhaust system has been repaired, and the truck has been thoroughly checked for reliability.
It starts easily, includes power steering, and comes with an extra tailgate.
Originally automatic, it was converted to manual before the current owner purchased it 6 years ago.
Number 13.
1973 Ford F100, price $9,000. This is a classic 2WD pickup featuring a 302 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The odometer displays 82,100 miles, although the accuracy is uncertain. The exterior and interior are both finished in a striking blue, complementing its vintage appeal. Powered by gasoline, this truck comes with a clean title and is in good running condition, showing only typical wear consistent with its age. While there are a few spots of surface rust, none are structural, making this a well-preserved example of an iconic vehicle.
Number 14.
1977 GMC 2500, price $6,200. This is a classic pickup with just 98,000 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission, a striking brown exterior, and a tan interior. Powered by a 454 engine, this truck is equipped with a trailer towing package, original paint, and is owned by its second owner. Additional key features include power windows, locks, brakes, and steering, as well as cruise control and air conditioning, though it requires servicing. It runs on gasoline and is available for sale or possible trade for an enclosed trailer at least 16 feet or longer.
Number 15.
1985 GMC K10 price $4,900. This truck has traveled 225,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by the reliable Chevy 5.7350 CI engine, its transmission was rebuilt at 200,000 miles. While the chassis remains in good condition, the body shows rust along the lower sides. Having served as a farm truck its entire life, it runs and drives great.
The tires, though aged with some dry rot, are still suitable for driving.
This gasoline-powered truck offers a solid mechanical foundation, making it ideal as either a dependable workhorse or a rewarding project vehicle.